Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the bottom cover, battery, optical drive or optical drive dummy, hard disk drive assembly or solid-state drive, wireless WAN module, wireless LAN module, modem module, top cover, and system board. Removal: peel back the retention tape and use minimal force to lift the locking bar up on the NFC antenna ZIF connector and disconnect the NFC antenna ribbon cable from the NFC board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Carefully remove the NFC board from the adhesive that secures it to the top cover. Place the NFC board into a static dissipative bag. Replacement: remove the NFC board from the static dissipative bag. Place the NFC board into position on the top cover and apply pressure to adhere it. Insert the NFC antenna ribbon cable into the NFC antenna ZIF connector on the NFC board. Press the locking bar down and replace the retention tape to secure the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable.